How can suffering exist in a world created by an all-loving, all-powerful God? If it can't, then the existence of suffering implies the non-existence of God. Hi, I'm Pete Mandic, and this is a Mind to Chunks moment. Dating back to the ancient Greek philosopher Epicurus, and forcefully articulated in the 18th century by Scottish philosopher David Hume, the problem of evil can be deployed as an argument against the existence of God, known as the argument from evil. If God existed, no suffering would exist. Since being all-loving, God would want to prevent it, and being all-powerful would be able to. But suffering exists. Therefore, God does not. Rejecting the argument's atheistic conclusion, theistic philosophers have devised several responses to the argument. In his best of all possible worlds response, Leibniz argues that suffering is compatible with God's love if this is the best of all possible worlds. However, without simply assuming theism, there's no reason to believe that this world couldn't possibly be any better. Another response is the soul-making response. Just as medicine and exercise can be unpleasant but are justified by their desirable effects, so can a world with suffering be justified by the good character it helps build. However, this analogy can work against the theist. We resort to unpleasant medicine because we aren't all-powerful. If we were, we could just zap the desired results into existence. Why didn't God? Finally, there is the free will response, according to which God gave humans free will, which is ultimately a good thing. And if humans use their free will to bring about suffering, that's on them, not God. One of several problems with the free will response is that it cannot account for natural evils like earthquakes and diseases that bring about suffering through no fault of any free human. And that's the problem of evil. The existence of suffering threatens to imply the non-existence of God. However, perhaps this is the best of all possible worlds, made better by certain of suffering's effects on us, or the fact that it is all somehow caused by our own free will.